All right, let's crush an instant nerdle. I'm going to take my time with this one, try to explain my thought process. So we're trying to unscramble this math equation. This is one of the more difficult versions because we only have division. So that means we're going to be doing some big number divided by some other number equals some other number, which is not very intuitive. So the possibilities here, the division sign is definitely going to go here. We're going to have a triple digit divided by something. It's either going to be a double digit here equals a single digit, or a single digit equals a double digit. I'm going to say, just for picking one or the other, that the equal sign goes here initially. So the 4 absolutely has to go here. This is going to be the structure that I'm rolling with. I think the division sign absolutely has to go here. So we don't know about the equal sign. It could go here or here, but I'm going to start checking numbers that have this here. With division, division's the opposite of multiplication, right? So I find it easier to test multiplication than division. So I like to actually think about this number first and then multiply it by 4, and that'll have to equal this. Like realistically, this number times this number has to equal this number if it's going to be this number divided by this number equals this number. That's just the way operations work. So the first thing I kind of thought of was to put the 7 at the end, because then this would be an 8, because 7 times 4 is 28. So this number would end in an 8 if this was a 7. So I know that to be true, so I'm just going to test possible values here. So now all we have to figure out is the tens digit here and see how that reflects over here. So the possibilities for the tens digit right now are for this to be 27. 27 times 4 is in the 100, so this would be a 1, which isn't going to work. So this can't be a 2, can't be a 3, can't be a 7, can't be an 8 because we already have the 8 here. So the only other number this could be would be a 9. 97 times 4 would be very close to 400, so it would be in the 300s, which looks like it works, but unfortunately this number would have to be a 2. And 97 times 4, I believe, is 378. So this doesn't quite work. So immediately I can eliminate the 7 from contention here. I'm just going to be systematic about this. It's hard, if I'm being honest. It takes a long time. So I tried the 7 first for some reason. If this was a 3, let's be systematic about this. So the 2 can't go here, so the 3, I'll have tried the 3 and the 7 after I try 3. So if this was a 3 times 4 would equal 12, so this would end in a 2. And then now I can try the different numbers that could go here. 7 is possible. 73 times 4 would be in the 200s, so that's not possible. Oh, it would be in the 300s actually. 73 times 4 would be just over 300, but it would be 302, and that doesn't fit here. So 7 doesn't work here. 8 would be in the 300s, right? If 8 went here, 80 times 4 is 320, plus 12 is 332, so that doesn't work because we would need another 3. We don't have one. So 9 is actually promising. I think this might be it. 93 times 4 is 360. Yeah, oh no, because the 3 can't go here. Yeah, wait, why was I thinking the 3? I was thinking I had a 3. Okay, 93 times 4 would equal 372. I was thinking that was going to work, but we need to use the 8. Okay, so I've now concluded that 3 can't go at the end. So now I've tried 3 and 7. If 8 went here, it would end in a 2. So could a 7 go here? That's the first number to check because 2 and 3 aren't possible. So could a 7 go here? That would be in the 300s. It's not going to be 392 though. So if 7 went here, it would be 312, I think. So again, that's not it because the 9 has to go here. 8 can't go here. Would 9 work? Probably not. Maybe actually. Is this 372? This actually could be 372. No, probably not. No, yeah. Okay, 98 times 4 is 392. Unfortunate. Okay, so 9 doesn't work, so 8 doesn't work here. The only number I haven't tried yet is 9 here. 9 times 4 would end in a 6, so this doesn't work. So none of the numbers worked in this spot, which means the equal sign can't go here, which means we have to switch the equal sign to here and just try the whole process over again. So pretty tedious with these ones. Again, I'm going to be thinking about this times this, probably. So, I don't know. I could try basically any number to start it off. Let's see if a 3 would work here. What numbers could go here? 7 would end in a 1. That's not going to work. 8 would end in a 4. That's not going to work. 9 would end in a 7. No. Oh, God. Okay. I'm not thinking about this well. No. Yeah. 9 would end in a 7. Okay. I'm forgetting. I'm getting mixed up because we're completely switching the way that this is working. The 4 is not coming to play anymore. So 3 times 9 would end in a 7. So this is possible. So what's 3 times 49? That's going to be in the 100s. That's not going to work. Okay, so 3 doesn't work at the end. I think it's probably going to have to be a little bit bigger number. And we only have big numbers left. So 7, 8, or 9. So if this was a 7, this number couldn't be a 2 because it would end in a 4. It couldn't be a 3 because it was going to end in a 1. It could be an 8. No, it couldn't be an 8 because it would end in a 6. If it was a 9, it would end in a 3. So 9, 3 works because 9 times 7 is 63. So this number ends in a 3. So 49 times 7 is in the 300s because 50 times 7 is 350. So this doesn't work. So 7 doesn't work at the end. All right, so I've tried. 2 can't go there. 3 to 7. We're really running out of options here. Coming down to just either the 8 or the 9, or else I've done something wrong. Okay, so 8. If we try to put a 2 here, it would end in a 6. Doesn't work. 3 here would end in a 4. Doesn't work. 7 doesn't work. 9. 9 times 8 ends in a 2. 9 times 8 is 72. 49 times 8. So 50 times 8 would be 400. Doesn't quite work because this is going to be 392. Yep, doesn't work. Okay, coming down to the last gasp here. The only thing that I haven't tried yet is in this structure is the 9 here. 9 times 2 would end in an 8. 42 times 9. 40 times 9 would be 360. It's 378. Almost the very last thing that I try. That's crazy. There's an instant hurdle for you. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.